As with rhythms, the secret is simplicity and patterns. In the examination, you will be given an opening, a bit like this, and you will be told to write a melody of not more than 8 bars. But at this point, let's play safe and write a melody of exactly 8 bars. You will be given an option of a couple of instruments to choose from, and you should choose an instrument with which you feel comfortable. Unless you know what you are doing, stay away from strings. Here is an example of a good melody, and I will explain why. The melody is divided into 2 equal phrases of 4 bars each. This creates a balance between the phrases. The second phrase is almost an exact rhythmic copy of the first. Remember how you were advised to make patterns when writing rhythms in grade 4. Also, there is a pattern to the shape of the melody. For example, the first 4 notes of the second phrase are like the first phrase, just 1 step higher. Most of the movement between the notes is by step. There are very few large jumps. In fact, jumps can tend to sound clumsy if you do not know what you are doing, and especially try and avoid large jumps like sevenths. The last note of the first phrase is part of the dominant triad in the key of A major. This makes the phrase sound unfinished, like a question that needs answering, and the second phrase ends with a note from the tonic triad, the tonic itself in fact, and so sounds finished, settled and answered. Dynamics and a tempo have been added. And finally, don't forget your phrase marks. Here is a list of the key points to writing a good melody which we have used in this example. See how many of these points on the screen you can identify in the music you are listening to. And finally, remember the 2 important words I mentioned at the beginning of this video: simplicity and patterns.